Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Kassi and I'm your host. And did you hear that? There is a frog that is making so much noise. I'm convinced it's inside this room. Greg's like, no, it's totally outside. It's on our roof right next to the window. And that's how I'm hearing it so loud. But we will be joined by a frog, okay, that will be commenting on this small shop Saturday. I know it's Tuesday, but some things came up. I posted a video about it if you want to check it out. And basically on Saturdays, I really like to feature some small shops that I find around the internet, especially if they have just bear with me, especially if they have some really great deals. See, the frog totally agrees. And especially if they we're just gonna have to keep rolling with it, okay? He's just showed up. He's excited. First off, it's a he, okay? Totally a he. Second, I think it's kind of like maybe a spirit animal, like for the channel. So like if anybody wants to come up with some concept art that has to do with frogs and NicheCraft, that might be kind of cool. You know, even though I do like that cat a lot. And third, we're just gonna keep moving through this. So anyway, first off, speaking of small shops, this is a beautiful pastel blanket that I made myself. It is available in my Etsy store. It is basically just a granny square with a border around it, but it is a beautiful baby blanket. It would make a great receiving blanket. Just wanted to tell you what I have next to me on the couch. Okay, so I bought this, which is a mystery box. It was actually 2 mystery boxes. I ordered 2 and put them in one. So this is a mystery box that I purchased from an Etsy store called ArmchairChef. Okay, I am going to put a link to that Etsy store in the description. Okay, so you'll be able to shop there if you want to. ArmchairChef is run by Lori Evans, who is extremely sweet. She was amazing. And I saw that she had some yarn mystery boxes for $35 each. And she said that they were 3-pound mystery boxes. And I dug it. I was like, okay, this is cool. Let's see what she's got. So I ended up buying 2. It came in this box, very well packaged. She stuffed it all in there too. It kind of reminds me of Kramer, with how they have like more and more and more, and you don't know how they got them in the box. So she definitely delivered. And just want to let you guys know also, she does have a part where you can like put in like some information. And I just said this because I know that as somebody who sells mystery boxes myself, it's kind of helpful to let the person know that you do like yellow, because I'm always afraid to put too much yellow in my mystery boxes because I know that it's not necessarily the most favorite color. So I said my favorite color is yellow followed by brown. It is completely safe to send me yellow yarn if you have any left. So just wanted to go ahead and say that. Now, as a funny aside, turns out the same week that I ordered from her, Bag O' Day also ordered from her. So Bag O' Day found her shop, and the same week that I found her shop, and I ordered from her, and I got this very quickly. She did great shipping and all of that. But Bag O' Day was able to get a video out about it. And and this has been sitting here for a while, so it's taken me a while to put this together. But I'm kind of jealous because it was like, I thought this was like a Kassi find, and everything. But of course, it just kind of goes to show how much in common me and Bag O' Day have when it comes to seeing a really great deal and wanting to seize the day of the really good deal. So that said, I am going to open this, and you are going to seriously be amazed at how many goodies I got in this. Seriously, I'm so excited. Okay, first off, she sent me a handwritten letter. I'm not going to read all of it, but she mentions that she packed the box by weight, and that when 2 are purchased, she can get more in the box when she doesn't separate into 2 packs. Because she got into 1 box. And a 2-pack will have 6+ yards, 6+ pounds of yarn. And that she had fun picking out for me. She also sent me a message that she liked my channel, and I thought that was so great because, like, seriously, when Bag O' Day purchases from you, and then you tell, like, NicheCraft that you like their channel too, you know, because I'm sure she loves Bag O' Day. Everybody loves Bag O' Day. It kind of feels good. So I just wanted to mention that. So I wasn't expecting to get any notions. I don't know if these are in all of her mystery boxes or not, but she sent me some really cool things. She sent me these cute little paw prints, and I, you know, as you guys know, I do bullet journaling and everything, so I always love things like that. She sent me this cat pad. I think that is so cool, and it's got cool cats on it. Her baby's like getting jealous. He's actually coming up here. I think our frog went away too. Oh, here's the thank you note, and all of that. And then she sent this little bookmark and it says "Love what you do" on it. I love this. I love things like this. Like, I actually use bookmarks. I don't have a whole lot of physical books. I mean, but you guys have seen my craft books, and I love using bookmarks. So they're always good. She sent me this cool pin. I love it. It's one of those from like the 80s. I mean, it's not from well, it might be, but it's one of those where you have like red, black, green, and blue, and you can like pick the whatever. I love it. I just, it's great. She sent me yes you can sticker, which is awesome because sometimes I don't feel like I can, and so it helps me when I know that I can, especially if I have a reminder there. She sent me some stitch markers. Oh, and I love them so much. Like, normally if I got some stitch markers, I would be like, oh, I'll probably put them, you know, in a giveaway, but these, I've got to keep these because seriously, they're so sweet. And I don't know, it would just give me such a great reminder of how nice Lori was. She's great. And she sent me scissors. And what she doesn't know is I also like pink. I didn't say that in my message because I was like, you know, you can bring on the yellow, you know, but I love the colors pink, and especially pink and gray together. She actually might have picked that up from my YouTube colors, you know, but love it. I just love it. So, like, look at all of those notions that were a complete bonus. At least for me, they were a complete bonus. I don't know if, again, I don't know if she sends them out with all of her boxes, but okay. So this is $70 worth of yarn for her mystery boxes. Okay. So again, I got 2 of them, $70, $35 each. So we have this knit and purl ombre yarn. It's called Geode. Look at those colors. Aren't those pretty? I love this. It is a medium 4, 80% acrylic, 20% wool. Approximately 200 grams. Look at that. And look, I got more than one. Isn't that cool? So, pretty sure those are the same colors. I'm color challenged. You guys know that. Yeah, it's the same color, just in case you couldn't tell. But yeah, love it. I could definitely make something with this. Like, I could actually make something with just these 2 skeins. Great. Cakes. These 2 cakes. So that's not all. Look at these. I got a whole set of mandala yarns. Isn't that cool? Oh, and they're so pretty. This is called Valkyrie. I knew somebody who pronounced it Valkyrie. I thought that was an interesting. It's spelled Valkyrie, but I believe it's supposed to be pronounced Valkyrie. Although this person did speak Australian English, so it was like Valkyrie, mate. I'm never going to be able to do an Australian accent, but maybe that had to do with it. It is a lightweight 3, and there are, oh my goodness, it is a lot of yarn, 590 yards in each one of these. Oh, I can do some major damage with that, and look at that yellow. Yeah. Love it. Absolutely love it. I'm actually thinking right now, like, what can I make with that? I'm gonna make something with that. She also sent me 3, at least I believe it was 3. Yeah, 3 of these Bernat crushed velvet. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of these kind of crushed velvet type feeling things. I think some people call it Chanel yarn, and I don't know if Chanel is different from this crushed velvet and different from those like kind of fuzzy baby type yarns or whatever. They all kind of feel the same to me, but I have to point out that this pillow on here has definitely inspired me to want to make a pillow, or even maybe a rug out of this. I would just love to do that. I've also noticed that my cat really, really loves this kind of yarn, and so he will always appreciate a blanket or a bed or, you know, whatever I decide to make made out of this. And I really love these colors. Isn't that pretty? I love those colors. So I've got 3 of them, and it's called Toasted Plum. Just look at those colors are so pretty. I love them. Just look. Ooh, they're so pretty. And I've got 3 of them, so I have enough to do some things. Like I can make matching pillows, or I can make a pillow and a rug or something like that. I mean, I'm really looking forward to making something with these, so it's really good. So we also have We Love Yarn Everyday Acrylic Bulky. So this is a 100% acrylic 100 gram ball, 147 yards, and I got 3 of those, and I love this. This is great. I can definitely make something with this. Good stuff. So, I mean, I just really want to take the time to point out, she really definitely took into account the fact that I said yellows and browns, you know, and I really appreciate that. Which is also represented by this Amigo Chunky and this beautiful yellow color. Again, she really delivered, huh? And then we have this. I like this. It's called Buttercream Alpaca, and it's 130 yards, but this is a super bulky 6, so, you know, it looks like there's some kind of like something sparkly in here. The color is Rust. That's a really good name for that color. Let's see what's in here. Made in Turkey. So 80% acrylic, 20% alpaca. I wonder if that's just a natural shine then. Whatever it is, I love it. I think this is really pretty. I'm gonna have to look at some of my other super bulky though, my other 6-weight yarns, to see if I can pair it with one, because I would want to make something pretty substantial out of this. Okay, so here's another one. I really, really like the way that this feels. It's called Blush. It is 51% acrylic, 22% wool, and 27% polyamide. I've heard somebody say polyamide before to just say that, but I say polyamide. So I wonder if it's like aluminum and aluminium. I don't know. Did you notice that our frog left us? I'm kind of sad. But yeah, she sent me this too. I love the way that this feels. It might look like it's a lot like what's it called, the Lion Brand homespun, but it's not as this doesn't have the like boucle with it, or if it does, it's not nearly as pronounced. It would be very easy to make something with this, definitely. So we've got that, and then we have 3 more of the same. This is the exact same yarn, only it's in this color, so you could even put them together, you know. There, you could like make, for example, I'm just pretending, you could make a blanket out of this and then do the border out of this, you know, that kind of thing. So I'm liking that. I love the way it feels. And then I saved this for the end, but it's so worth it. Now, I think I know where she got this, but I'm not going to say because I've seen it at a certain place. And I've thought about purchasing it, but I thought about purchasing it for myself, not for like mystery boxes. So I'm like kind of excited. But this is called Lauren Wool. It's 71% acrylic, 24% wool, and 5% metallic. I don't think I've ever seen those. So anyway, I've got 4 of them. They're all in this beautiful... Did you guys see that? If you didn't see it, baby just jumped on the couch and then jumped into the box. So we've got another mystery box to open here. So anyway, it's yellow. It's got like the metallic shine and all of that. I got 4 of them. I can actually make something with that. I'm excited. I love it. So that is all I got from those 2 mystery boxes that I ordered. So definitely a good deal. Hey Greg, can you bring me that second mystery box that I need to open? Okay, I wonder what's in this mystery box. It sure does look like the mystery box that I just opened, but we'll have to see. What's in the mystery box? I have a mystery box to unbox. What is this? I don't think that this would be very easy to work with. You guys want to see? Oh, look, it's a baby shaman. Look at that. It's my cat. Isn't he cute? Oh, baby says hi. Baby also says, leave me alone. I got a box. It's my new house. He's going to get his toys and he's going to put them in here. So sweet. He's so cute. Oh, look at his little paw. His little paw. He wants to play. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end. Please check out this person's site. She kind of got like overwhelmed with lots and lots of orders from Bag O' Day mentioning her, of course, and all of that, but she had some really great mystery boxes. I don't know if she's going to continue to do them, but she did tell me when I told her I wanted to do a video on it. I told her, she says that she tried to have some in stock for me when I post this video, so hopefully she will. You know, I meant to post this on Saturday and I couldn't do it then, but hopefully she'll have some by the time that this posts. I will see you soon in another video. I've got my Mystery Box Monday coming later on this afternoon. Bye for now.